Hello, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. Good to see you guys. Well, today we're going to be talking about some more practical Tulpamancy, and today we're going to be talking about some visualization / imposition exercise. It's very interesting and really fun, actually. Me and Sierra do this all the time, and it turns into it turns weird pretty quickly. It's pretty funny. So, what we're going to start out doing today, if you haven't started practicing imposition, then do it with visualization. If you started with imposition, then do it with imposition. Okay? It's vice versa. And so, all right, let me just tell you about this. So, we usually do it with visualization in the mindscape. And what you're going to do is both host and Tulpa are going to take turns visualizing the other person and change their clothes. You're going to force visualize new clothes on to the other person. And this is really, really funny, by the way. So, I mean, it could be literally anything. Costumes, all kinds of things. Funniest one I did is I put an Oscar the Grouch costume on Sierra the other day. That was absolutely hilarious. And then she in turn put a bathing suit on me, and it was weird. So, it is what it is. So this is going to help both of you guys visualize real good. And if you're doing imposition, imposing better. And, it's just a fun activity, just, kind of playful, nice little, get around, do some fun things and, just have fun with it. And the more you do it, the funnier it becomes. And, it eventually becomes like an inside joke, but it does build that visualization skill that, a lot of people are like, I need a visualization guide. I need this. I need that. Well, here's just a fun little game, a little exercise. All right. When you're in your mind space together or imposing, just be like, ha, you have a maid outfit now. And, forcefully visualize it onto their form. And, when it works, it's really funny. And when it doesn't, you just keep trying. So, anyway, guys, I hope this has been a little bit of help to you guys. So, I'm going to go ahead and get off here for today. So, if this has been valuable, go ahead and subscribe. We're going to have lots more content coming. Kind of ran into some YouTube brain fog there for a little bit, but hey, it is what it is, right? We're back on track, I think. So, anyway, guys, this is going to be kind of a long series. So, expect more practical Tulpamancy exercises and tricks and yada, yada, yada. Anyway, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.